National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Essex County in northern New York, Clinton County in northern New York, Franklin County in northern New York, eastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m. National Weather Service. Destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. The storm was near Sabatis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Horseshoe Lake, South Colton, Tupper Lake, Piercefield, Wabeek, Lake Azonia, Saranacan, Lake Clear, Lake Placid, Raybrook, Franklin Falls, Vermontville. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. These storms have a history of producing damaging winds across St. Lawrence County, New York. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Widespread wind damage is expected with this severe thunderstorm. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Take cover now.